Kubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Loom Sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi. Minwan ra mangi hakerdog ying jongpi.
Ka Meghalaya Medical Service Association kala pelaj pajba yaki artli ki Jingrwai ki bala ring bat ki dor ki dar kum ka dak ka jing penslor yaki pajba bakin mi shakmat ban ai inject Tika yaladi kum ka lat na ka jinyada na ka khlam jingpang COVID-19 yagini ki artli ki Jingrwai la pelaj pajba do menteri ketenat ka koj ka khia ka sarkar jilla uba al hack haka jinyalang balingkot ka balalong ha step down COVID hospital ka badan ha Mmsauli New Shillong Kini ki Jingrwai ki dai ki bala ai kerteng kum ka dawai ban yada balarwai da ka doktor lamti shababha ding do bat ki parlong bala thau pat da uba OJ rentatiang kad ba kawai pat ka dai ka bala ai kerteng kum ka no one can stop us balarwai da uba lamprangs emle manasek nongkinri banjob nongbri but yagane ka Jingrwai la thau da uba lamprangs emle but umalkom manbha nongsi
People get ready. It's time for a change. A dosage is easy. Let's get rid of this pain.
Humanity will thank us. Let's fight it with rage. This virus can't own us. God will keep us safe.
No one can stop us if we change it for love.
Our leaders are giving us the healing blast from above.
Together let's go and get it for all to be saved.
Let us mend all broken hearts for shedding tears. Let's be brave.
Look, together up against Corona, just know that precaution is the perfect healer. Before casualness can turn into disaster, be bold. Go educate all those around us, let's go. Paranoia, it can harm and endanger. Don't spread rumors, please be wiser. There are those whose need is dire. You can save a life out with this gesture. Social distancing is a must. If you mask up, chance a spread is downsized. Be vigilant, the symptoms can hide. Eat healthy for immunity, exercise. Report to authorities just to be safe. If the test comes out, don't be afraid. Even when you're so anxious, you still can be brave. So trust the doctors and take the dosage.
this company came from Delhi and they want to have the interaction with all the medical experts here. So they have done presentation. That is up to them how to take or not to take it, but they've already given the presentation from the company from Delhi. Yeah. Preparation of the third wave. Mean how the ICU to be built, how the infant ICU to be built, how the adult ICU to be built, how the gas pipeline to be connected, how the manifold room to be connected, like that. Everything in detail has been discussed. So the technical matter, he is the only person can tell. Every day our health department, right from the health minister, principal secretary, up to the nurses, doctors and everybody are working for the preparation of the third wave. So the preparation is going on war footing. Saying you that government taking all necessary requirement. All requirement for preparation, for protection, prevention of the third wave. Now we have sufficient oxygen plant, oxygen cylinder, all the facility which is required for the oxygen is being made available at present. Whatever amount it is required, whatever resources is required, it cannot be compromised with the life of the person. The life of people is more precious than resources and anything we are doing. So we have to save the life of one individual. Actually, we are arranging every day. We have been be in the field, be in the office, be anywhere. We are arranging for protections of the third wave, preparation of the third wave.